Good afternoon from the Arizona desert. My name is Tom, and I'm out here in Phoenix, Arizona, and these are the nightly DoorDash numbers from the desert. We're still kind of fooling around with our microphone and our settings, and I think we've got a good spot. But I've introduced a fan, and I'm going to be introducing two more fans come Monday just to try and keep the airflow inside of the car steady and keep the electronics cooled down for our mobile office slash studio. The equipment's just generating a little bit of heat. Plus, once it gets up to 115 degrees plus in the summertime, we're going to want to definitely make sure that everything is running as cool as possible, including the driver. So this is currently a screenshot because I tried one version already and that didn't have any sound because I guess I had something shut off in the app settings on the microphone. So currently today we finished with 139.27, and I didn't think I was going to be able to reach that number. I was going to be behind. My third to the last job was a batched order. My third to the last job was a batched order. I'm going to shut off this real quick. Bear with me. Do not disturb. And that was for $22, but it was going to leave me about $10 short to reach $20 an hour. But lo and behold, after I dropped the first order, DoorDash gave me another rapid fire job to go pick up, and then that brought me to this 139.27. So once again, proving that DoorDash does everything behind the scenes to try and maintain you at that $20 an hour, provided that you're still moving product. In a sense, if it's no fault of your own, maybe jobs weren't there, location, et cetera, they will do whatever they can in order to try and keep you at that. The only way that I found to be able to beat that is starting early, ending late, and putting a little hustle into your step. So it's kind of like, hey, you're already at $19, but you've only got 45 minutes of that hour used up. And it's like, we took another snapshot every 15 minutes of your stats, and lo and behold, you have enough time to do another offer, and all of a sudden now you're at $24, $25 an hour, and you keep on doing that repeatedly, and you can make some good money. That's as a full-time dasher, platinum, not cherry picking, trying to maintain that platinum status. So let's go take a look at our numbers real quick. We're over here, look at our ratings. Currently, we're at a 91% acceptance rate, 100% completion, 100% on time, 4.96 customer rating, 1182 for last 30 days, and 48,652 for lifetime deliveries. And today being my anniversary, that's why I ended this early. Gonna go home, spend some time with family and loved ones, and possibly go out to dinner tonight or order something to go pick up and bring home. Give the wife a break so that she's not having to cook dinner. And currently, I'm having some challenges with wattage with my setup. So I'm going to make a quick run over to Batteries Plus and maybe go pay a little consulting fee to have them tell me with the detailed information on my Amazon purchases why this stuff isn't working. And maybe I just have things plugged in wrong, or I need to buy some different equipment. So currently we're going to have 2, 4, 5 fans external plus the AC unit with 4 car vents. That's the current setup, but I've got currently 5 devices that are going to be in here plus an inverter that's going to be generating some heat. So you can understand how we're trying to get the dynamics of all this stuff working together. And once I'm completed with this, I'll do a little showcase on what we've got and put all the links in the videos. And if you want to duplicate, you can see what it is that I'm doing, and I'll try and explain the whole entire process for you. All right, with that, I'm going to wish you the best. I hope that you have a great night. You're still out there dashing. Most of you, it's either end of lunchtime or beginning of lunchtime, yeah, or middle of lunchtime. and go make some money. Apply that money correctly and leverage your position the best that you possibly can. We're trying to get back our time so that we can do service in the community, spend more time with loved ones, start new businesses, invest, do all sorts of stuff. And it all starts with you grinding, but secondly, applying that money correctly so that your dollar is more valuable and gives you the leverage that you need to go apply it in the areas that you choose wisely to be the best. All right, with that, I'm going to let you go. Have a great day and go, go, go.